In today's digital age, the internet offers endless opportunities to make money quickly from the comfort of your own home. Whether you're looking to supplement your income, pay off debt, or build a sustainable online business, there are numerous strategies and platforms available to help you achieve your financial goals. This video will explore various methods and techniques for making money online fast, providing practical tips, insights, and resources to get you started on your journey towards financial freedom. Let's look at the best 5 ways to make money online fast that actually works. 1. Freelancing. Freelancing is one of the fastest ways to make money online, as it allows you to leverage your skills and expertise to offer services to clients around the world. Platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr connect freelancers with businesses and individuals seeking everything from graphic design and writing to programming and digital marketing services. By creating a compelling profile, showcasing your portfolio, and bidding on relevant projects, you can start earning money quickly as a freelancer. 2. Online surveys and market research. Another quick way to make money online is by participating in online surveys and market research studies. Companies are constantly seeking feedback from consumers to improve their products and services, and they're willing to pay for your opinions. Websites like Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Inbox Dollars offer opportunities to earn cash, gift cards, and other rewards for completing surveys, watching videos, and participating in focus groups. While the earnings may not be substantial, they can add up over time and provide extra income. 3. Selling products online. If you have items lying around your house that you no longer need or use, consider selling them online to make quick cash. Platforms like eBay, Craigslist, and Facebook Marketplace allow you to list items for sale and connect with potential buyers in your local area or beyond. Additionally, you can source products from wholesalers or dropshipping suppliers and sell them through online marketplaces like Amazon or Etsy. By optimizing your listings, pricing competitively, and providing excellent customer service, you can generate fast income through online sales. 4. Online tutoring and teaching. If you have expertise in a particular subject or skill, consider offering tutoring or teaching services online to make money quickly. Platforms like VIPKid, CheggTutors, and Tutor.com connect tutors with students seeking academic support in various subjects. Additionally, websites like Udemy and Teachable allow you to create and sell online courses on topics ranging from language learning to digital marketing. By leveraging your knowledge and passion, you can earn money by helping others learn and grow through online education. 5. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a popular strategy for making money online fast by promoting products or services and earning a commission for each sale or referral generated through your unique affiliate link. You can partner with companies and brands in your niche and promote their products through your website, blog, social media channels, or email list. Platforms like Amazon Associates, ShareASale, and ClickBank offer affiliate programs across various industries, allowing you to earn passive income by driving traffic and conversions to affiliate partners. There are countless opportunities for making money online quickly, from freelancing and affiliate marketing to online tutoring and virtual assistants. By leveraging your skills, knowledge, and resources, you can tap into the vast potential of the internet to generate fast income and achieve your financial goals. However, it's essential to approach online money-making opportunities with caution, conduct thorough research, and exercise due diligence to avoid scams and fraudulent schemes. With determination, resourcefulness, and perseverance, you can unlock the power of the internet to create financial freedom and build a sustainable online income stream. Alright folks, that's it for this time. Keep your head high and keep on grinding, and I will see you guys in the next video.